Here she is in February 1954, at the height of her popularity, entertaining American troops in Korea.
And we all lose our charms in the end. We're cut or pear-shaped, these rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. And I think affairs that you must keep Masonic are better bets. If little pets get big baguettes, time